Meet your Genie, your company's very own AI-powered assistant built with Workato. A Genie doesn't just understand your request, it takes action. It can help with HR requests, IT support, or finance approvals, among many other use cases, or directly through chat. Think of it as a smart teammate who not only talks with you, but get things done. For example, a Genie is able to understand a request like, help me to submit a request for a new charger, and decide that it should take action by creating a ticket on Jira. It then creates the Jira ticket on behalf of you and updates you directly in the chat. Every Genie is powered by four key components: a job description that defines its role and behavior, a knowledge base that stores facts, policies, and company data, skills that let it take real actions through Workato workflows, and a chat interface where users interact, like Slack, Teams, or Workato Go. Together, these components make your Genie both smart and capable. The first step in building your Genie is identifying a good use case, something repetitive and time consuming that happens often. Automating this process through chat with Genie should save time, automate repetitive work, and empower employees with instant self-service. In our example, we'll build an IT support Genie for a software company, Technova. It can handle IT requests, troubleshoot issues, and even escalate tickets automatically eventually. To build a fully functional and capable Genie, we will need to configure its four key components. In this walkthrough, we will be focusing on the job description. Without further ado, let's hop onto Workato. First, let's create a project to house our Genie and its assets. This makes it easier for us to locate things as we add more capabilities to the Genie down the road. On Workato, we make it really easy to create a minimally functional Genie. Just input a short description here, and Workato will transform it into a job description that tells the Genie what it should do and how it should behave. Think of this as a central control hub for your Genie, as you can configure its main components here, namely its job description, skills, knowledge bases, and chat interface. Over here, you can see the job description that has been generated based on the short description we have provided earlier. Tells the Genie about its role as an IT support specialist, how to get things done, and what to avoid. We recommend that you edit this to refine it to your specific use case, but be sure to follow best practices outlined here for the best outcomes. Pause the video here if needed. With just a job description, we have actually created a minimally functional Genie. Let's verify this by using the Test tab. Here, you can quickly and easily chat with your Genie to test your configurations. Use the debugging window on the right to see how the Genie is thinking in the background. We can see that the Genie understands its role and has digested the job description, but when asked a more company-specific question, it knows nothing about the company. This is because we have not given it the relevant information, which needs to be configured using knowledge bases, which we'll dive into in the next video.